Hey parents! Does the word math make your child groan? What if I told you math isn't about memorizing times tables or drilling flashcards? It's hiding in plain sight, in their toys, your kitchen, even the laundry basket. Today, I'll show you how to turn everyday moments into playful math lessons, no textbooks required. Let's get started. Let's start with toys. Whether it's dinosaurs, dolls, or Lego, counting is the gateway to math joy. Try this. How many red cars do you have? Let's count them together. Can you give me 3 blocks and then 2 more? How many do we have total? If your teddy bear eats 1 cookie, how many are left? Make it a story. Oh, a T-Rex stomped on 2 dinosaurs. How many survived? Even toddlers learn addition, subtraction, and sizes through play. And don't stress about right answers. Wrong guesses are golden moments to say. Let's check together. Next up, the kitchen. Baking is a sneaky math lesson. Hand your kid a measuring cup and say, "We need 1 cup of flour." Can you fill it to the line? This recipe needs half a teaspoon. Let's split it. Which is bigger, half a cup or a 1/4 cup? Let's compare. No oven? No problem. At bath time, ask, how many cups of water fill your duck toy? On walks, how many steps to the mailbox? Let's count. Pro tip, use relatable words like full, empty, more, and less. They're building blocks for fractions and measurement. Finally, laundry day. Sorting clothes is a math superpower. Try, can you make pairs of socks? How many pairs did you find? Let's sort shirts. Small for you, medium for me, large for dad. Look at this striped sweater. What pattern do you see? Red, blue, red, blue. Turn it into a game. Race to sort the towels fastest. Or guess how many socks fit in the basket. Sorting teaches categories, patterns, and sizes, skills that lead to algebra and logic. Plus, you'll get help folding laundry. Win-win. Remember, parents, you don't need to be a math expert. Just notice the numbers, shapes, and patterns around you and get curious with your child. Ask questions, laugh at mistakes, and celebrate those aha moments. Math isn't about perfection, it's about exploring the world together. Ready to try? Grab those toys, measuring cups or laundry baskets, and let the math magic begin.